Hello everyone. Today we're going to be reading words with a Z digraph. Are you ready? Let's go. T and a H. Together it makes the Z sound. Sometimes it makes the th sound. Let's read some words that begins with Z or th. Th. Th, at, th, at, that. That. Th, e, m. Th, e, m. Them. Them. Th, I, s. Th, I, s. This. This. T, I, nk. T, I, nk. Think. Think. Th, I, n. Th, I, n. Thin. Tin. Th, a, n. Th, a, n. Than. Than. M, o, th. M, o, th. Moth. Moth. B, a, th. B, a, th. Bath. Bath. T, e, th. T, e, th. Teeth. Teeth. P, a, th. P, a, th. Path. Path. Th, o, n. Th, o, n. Thorn. Thorn. Th, r, e. Th, r, e. Three. Three. T, I, ng. S, t, I, ngs. Things. Things. T, a, m, b. T, a, m. Thumb. Thumb. M, ow, th. Mouth. 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 Now let's read alien words. Remember, these words doesn't make any sense. These are also called nonsense words. We can still read them by using our sound skills. Let's go. Z, a, th. Z, a, th. Zat. tas, tas. Thob, thob, thob. Bith, bith, bith. Ox, the ox, tox. Well done, everyone. Good reading. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.